Qopro Quik Video Editor is a robust Android application designed for quick and efficient video editing, catering to users who want to create professional-looking videos with minimal effort. This app provides a user-friendly interface that simplifies the editing process, making it accessible to both beginners and experienced editors. The application offers a variety of features, including cutting, trimming, and merging clips, along with the ability to add transitions, music, and text overlays. Users can also apply filters and effects to enhance their videos visually, resulting in polished final products suitable for social media sharing or personal use. Qopro Quik Video Editor typically supports multiple video formats and resolutions, ensuring versatility in editing. Additionally, it may include tools for adjusting audio levels, stabilizing shaky footage, and exporting videos in high quality. Overall, Qopro Quik Video Editor serves as a powerful tool for anyone looking to create engaging video content quickly and easily on their Android devices, combining efficiency with a range of creative options.